Welcome back for another home tour. Today I am in Midlothian, Virginia, exactly 25 minutes out from downtown Richmond. I am in the Westchester Commons area and I'm visiting this model home built by HHHunt. It is their Foster floor plan. As you will see, it is absolutely gorgeous. They are offering two different floor plans in this new development, the Foster floor plan and then the Alto floor plan. They feature 4 to 5 stories. You'll see all the stairs and all the beautiful space that's included in these floor plans. But a little bit about what they are offering. Because it is a very new development and community, the builder has some amazing incentives happening to include $25,000 flex cash. Now, this can be taken off of the purchase price itself, or it could be applied towards your closing costs, or you can take it to the design center and purchase additional upgrades or features. Now, in terms of the development in itself, this is a huge project, and HHHunt actually will not be the only builder that'll be building townhomes and single-family homes out here, but they are the first. In the coming years, it'll be an additional 2,200 new homes built in this development. And additionally, it'll be more shopping, more dining, and retail space. If you're familiar with the Westchester Commons area, you know that the last 2 to 3 years have been huge in terms of momentum and new business and development all around. Now, the Foster floor plan features 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, and 2 half baths with a little over 3,100 square feet. Now, obviously, with a design center and with a new build, you can make whatever changes you like to the floor plan, but the maximum square footage allowed for this floor plan is a little over 3,300 square feet. Same for the other floor plan, the Alto. It starts at the 2,000 square foot range and it can go up to about 2,700 square feet. If you have any questions about the Midlothian area in general, this new community, the builder, the floor plans, or anything real estate, of course, I'm here. I'll be sure to include my information down below. As always, I am your real estate resource. Thank you for watching.